Hello friends, today we're going to see how to make Paruppu Keerai Kulambu. It's a spinach dal curry. It's very delicious. You need a 4 to 5 cup spinach, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, half cup 2 dal, tamarind, green chili, garlic, mustard seed, urad dal, dry chili, onion, little bit jaggery, one cup of water. In the pot, add washed 2 dal, 1 cup water, add garlic, green chili, tamarind, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, salt, piece of jaggery, and chopped spinach. Put the lid on, lock the pressure, set the setting to the multigrain, set the minutes for 15 minutes, press the start button. After 15 minutes the dal is cooked nicely. With the wooden spoon, mash it. In the pot, add oil, asafoetida, mustard seed, urad dal, dry chili, cumin, and sun-dried onion. Temper until nice brown. Now add the tempering mixture to the spinach dal. Mix the tempering with the cooked spinach dal nicely. Now the spinach dal curry is ready to serve with the hot rice. Guys, this spinach dal is very delicious. You guys need to try this recipe. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.